Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve or how you can fix this error if the Discord is not opening, right? So basically to open, you have to enter the email address, the password, and if you're not able to open from your email address, you can just use this QR code scan. You can, if you're already logged into your smartphone, you can just scan it, and after that you can log in, right? And basically if somehow if you're entering every details completely correct and then also you're not able to log in, then this is a problem of your web browser. And on the top right side corner you can see the three horizontal lines. Just click on here, just go to the setting, and this is exactly same for the Chrome browser or any other browser you're using. Here you have to select privacy and security, and here you can see clear browsing data, and basically you have to go to the advanced option, and here you have to select everything and just clear the data. Okay, and this will fix your problem. And after that you can see there's nothing more to do, and you have to just go to the Discord, and after that you have to re-log in, and this will fix your problem. But make sure you use this after, and one more thing, if you're having any antivirus over your PC, then just turn off that antivirus, and after that restart your PC, and after that you will log in into the Discord. So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.